Hey everyone, welcome back to the iCloud Go channel. If you've been trying to sign out your Apple ID but can't remember the password, maybe you bought a second-hand iPhone or just forgot your login. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 3 professional methods to remove or sign out of an Apple ID from your iPhone, even if you don't have the password. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Sign out Apple ID from settings. If your iPhone is still accessible and connect to the network, the first thing you should try is signing out directly from settings. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, then scroll down and tap Sign Out. Then you'll see the Forgot Password option, tap it. You can then complete verification using your lock screen passcode. After entering your passcode, you can change your Apple ID password. Once the password is reset, go back and sign out successfully. Pro tip, before quitting, be sure to disable screen time, as it can sometimes block the sign-out process. Solution 2. Sign out of Apple ID in App Store. Sometimes you don't need to remove the iCloud account completely, you just want to use another Apple ID to download apps. This happens a lot with shared or second-hand iPhones. Here's what to do. Go to Settings, Apple ID, Media and Purchases, then tap Sign Out. Okay, the account has been signed out. Now you can tap Media and Purchases again to sign in with another Apple ID or sign in within the App Store. Select the second option and enter the new Apple ID you want to use for downloading apps. From now on, all new apps and purchases will be linked to that new Apple ID. Pro tip, if you keep seeing verification required or the App Store keeps asking for the old ID, delete any apps installed under that previous Apple ID and reinstall them from your new account. Solution 3. Remove Apple ID with 4U-key. If the password reset doesn't work, or you don't have access to the original owner, you'll need a professional unlocking tool. Here's where Tenorshare 4U-key comes in. Download and open 4U-key on your computer, then connect your iPhone via USB. Select Remove Apple ID, and 4U-key will automatically detect your device. Then you need to download the compatible iOS firmware. Before beginning the removal process, ensure your device has a 6-digit passcode set and 2-factor authentication enabled. It will then start removing your Apple ID from your iPhone. After the removal process is complete, your device reset is complete. You will need to set up your device again. On the iPhone Locked to Owner page, tap Unlock with Passcode. Select to use device passcode. Enter your passcode to complete activation. After completion, proceed to complete the subsequent settings. You can now sign in with your new Apple ID or create one directly from your iPhone. Pro tip, using 4U-key to remove your Apple ID will reset your device. Before proceeding, you must back up your data using iTunes. And that's it. Whether you just need to sign out, clear an App Store account, or completely remove the old Apple ID, these 3 methods have you covered. If you encounter any other issues during the process, feel free to let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone unlocking tutorials.